What's up guys, it's again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Cook My Canal. So today I'm here to do Get Ready With Me. So the palette that I'm going to use, this is the Morphe 35R palette, and I'm going to use this also this colorful eyeshadow palette that I picked up. So I've already poured my face. I use my Maybelline face primer, that's what I use, and I've already do my eyebrow, and I use the LA Girl brow kit. I also use this my face cream. This is what I always use. So now let's jump into the eyes. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this palette as a transition, and then later I'm going to jump into the colorful eyeshadow. But before we start this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook like page for more pictures. So let's jump into the tutorial. First I'm going to take this brown hair. I'm going to use this to transition. I'm going to put it right underneath like here on my brow bone. So now I'm going to take this green here. So now I'm done with the eyes. This is the eyes, so let's jump into the face. I'm going to mix my L'Oreal True Match foundation in Espresso and Deep Gold. I'm going to mix these two together. So let's just, I'm going to pump in the back of my hand. I'm going to mix my Elegant concealer. This is in Cool Tan, and this is in Beautiful Bronze. I'm going to mix these two together. So now I'm going to use my Elegant banana powder mixed with the black ochre setting powder. Elegant contour powder in deep. Elegant setting powder. So now it's time to do my favorite part, is highlighter. I'm going to use the W7 highlighter palette. That's what I'm going to use. So let's jump into this. I'm going to take this small mini brush. I'm going to start with this shade here. I'm gonna put like in the outer corner of my eyes, like that. And then I'm gonna take this one here. I'm gonna highlight my nose. So now I'm going to take my highlighter brush. I'm going to mix these three shades together. I really like this this W7 highlighter palette. I really like the pigment. You guys see, I just like to like mix this three. I never use the shade, this just this three. So this is the finished results. This is the results. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page for more pictures. Geef deze video een duim omhoog. Vergeet niet te abonneren en vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Facebook pagina en op mijn Instagram voor meer foto's. And yeah, I really like this. Like, it is so, if you guys want to see like a whole outfits, forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook. I do post pictures now of whenever I do makeup look, a whole outfit, so you guys go and check that out. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up once more again, and I hope to see you guys very soon. This is your girl Amy. Doeg, bye.